We've certainly been treated to some beautiful weather over the last couple of days, and today's really not going to be a whole lot different. It's going to be a little bit warmer as we head into this afternoon. Starting off the day right around 55 degrees, about 8 o'clock. We'll start that warming trend early and often heading into this afternoon, getting back into the mid to upper 70s by this afternoon. A little bit of that filtered sunshine, a little more clouds here as we head into our Friday. That's really about one of the only differences between yesterday and today, aside from some of those temperatures a few degrees warmer. We'll continue that stair step upwards as we head into this weekend, getting into the low to even some of us in those middle 80s by Saturday. Now that could be creating at least an interesting environment here with some of that heat and a little bit of humidity starting to build back in. You might know where I'm going with this. Storm chances move back in by the evening. If they scoot in a little bit sooner than anticipated, again, that kind of ultimately raises our eyebrows a little bit more. But here's what we could be looking at environment-wise as we head into that Saturday night, into the Sunday morning time frame. Again, we do a pretty good job at hanging on to some of that instability. That's some of those warmer temperatures or those warmer colors showing up on the map there. Here's how Future Track has this unfolding, though. We get you up to about 7 o'clock, and we're staying dry on Saturday. It's after about the evening hours into the overnight hours when we're going to be looking at some storm chances by 10 o'clock. Could see maybe a rogue storm or two, but I think there's going to be a pretty strong lid on the atmosphere by that time, so it's going to be hard to come by some of those individual cells. I think the party gets started as we head into the overnight hours, Saturday night into Sunday morning, as that cold front itself gets a little bit closer and could fire up some showers and thunderstorms into the overnight hours into Sunday morning as they continue to push off toward the south and east. But by 1 o'clock, again, a lot of that's out of here, and we're going to be starting to dry back out, it looks like, heading into Sunday afternoon. Now, I mentioned it's looking a little interesting. Here's how Future Hail or Future Track here, trying to pick out where we could see some hail into that early morning time frame on Sunday morning. And again, don't get married with anywhere where we're going to actually see it. Just the fact that it's at least on the table as of right now. That's what we're going to be tracking. I think ultimately, end of the day, that severe chance is fairly low. But the chance of getting woken up Sunday morning looks like it's starting to increase, certainly, as we head into the second day this weekend. So maybe if you, any late risers here, maybe trying to sleep in on Sunday, you want to plan for this. Plan that sleep schedule accordingly heading into this weekend. We're going to be tracking more rain chances, though. And again, little interesting setup as we head into Monday night into Tuesday. Some of those could be strong as well. But again, still plenty of time between now and then to iron out some of those details. We'll continue to track those in the days to come.